I'm sorry. I'm just going to get the fuck out of here. All right. Put the PC shot on. What the hell is this? Market enthusiast with 2 beers, and it said, since you're on Market Watch, can you do a little analysis about these 2 tech-related stocks? Which one would you pick if you don't mind me asking? Okay. I guess let's take a look. All right, this is the first one here. All right, what is this? This is, put the PC shot on. Let's take a look at this. This is Cover Corp. The volume today was at 4.84 million, so it does have some shit. Hold on, this is the Japanese markets or some shit, right? This is yen. All right, so, okay, I don't know particularly about the Japanese stock market.
I'd buy that
all right.
for $1.
You're right, Ghost.
Oh,
TCR isn't a webcomic or comedy. TCR is hentai.
It's fuck off, all right? Anyway, not bad volume. There's 23.5 million public float. So you compare that to the volume and the average daily volume. That's why you see these kinds of weird, it was up 6.83% today, but still. I mean, there has to be some decent news on it. I mean, if you can take a look at the 5-day range, it's up 5.66%. 1 month range ain't bad. All right, 3-month range. So everything came in at this past month. So what's the news on this? There's no news, obviously. Let's take a look at the financials. Can we get a look at the financials on this? Yes, we can. As we can see, let me see. This is 2001, 2002, 2023, excuse me. We have net income growth went from 1.94% to 101.55%. So that's why you're seeing this big, massive increase. And it looks like they're in the money here. It looks like they're actually 80% on the EBITDA growth, which suggests that they're actually taking in money. Because if they weren't, you would have parentheses on these numbers down here. All right, anytime you look at a balance sheet and you see parentheses around these numbers, that means that they're in the negative. All right? They're in the negative. So very interesting. And somebody said that was a VTuber company? Well, they're making profit, dude. I'll tell you that. And let's take a look at the second one that this person wanted me to take a look at. This is it right here. This is Any Color. What the hell is this? Any Color. And this one is 10.76 million public float. It's got 1.3 million volume. The average volume is 1.7 million. We've got growth in the year to date at about 26%. There's no news on this shit. So let's take a look at the financials here. And the financials go back to 2020. So as we can see, we've got growth going up from year to year, except in 2021. They took a bad turn here. And as you can see, they had some net operating income losses. There's one of these parentheses here. But now they're up on the money at 58.44 million. Interest expense growth is in the negative. Pre-tax growth income is in the positive. As you can see, they're not bad. I mean, they're still, the EBITDA growth is up 121%. And this doesn't look like that bad of a company at this point, in my view. I don't know. That's what you really want to look at, man, is the balance sheets. You want to take a look at the volume. You want to take a look at how many shares are outstanding. I mean, those are major factors, in my opinion. But those aren't bad companies, I guess, for Japanese companies. I'm not familiar with the market out there, but, I hope that you understand that, I guess. I hope that helps you, if I will. We got Five-Finger Prostate Punch. You want respect? Slap that fat hog on the desk, and you'll get respect. I guess we'll go ahead and hook it up. I guess we'll go ahead and do it, all right?
That for $1.
And what is Ghost Turkish
Since
fan?
you are reviewing Tuber company stocks, Tuber merged when? Also pick a stock between Anicolor Incorporated and Cover Corp. Me and the guys at numbers in the /VT bordare curious.
Are you
to
kidding
finally
me?
solve
No,
the mystery about
I'm not
which Tuber Corp is
suggesting.
better.
You got to figure that out for yourself. All right, I'm not suggesting which stocks that you should. You got to figure that out for yourself. And I had no idea that those were VTuber stocks. All right, I had no idea. Fucking VTuber stocks.